The Sani-Swipe is designed for sampling large surfaces. A sterility certificate is available for download on our website, and each bag has a unique identifier and a lot number that ensure full product traceability. Identify the bag. Open the bag, remove any excess liquid, and take out the cloth without touching the inside of the bag. Then sample the desired surface. Next, place the Sani-Swipe back into its bag and close it. It is airtight and ready for transport and laboratory analysis. Practical, durable, and absorbent, the Sani-Swipe ensures fast and representative sampling on large surfaces. Contact our team to learn more about the Sani-Swipe.